Hi, welcome everyone. Today we are going to make brioche burger bun. Let's see. These are the ingredients: all-purpose flour, milk powder, sugar, salt, yeast, yeast dry, bread flour. If you don't have bread flour, no problem. You can make without bread flour. And eggs. Water I will add last. 300 ml cold water. We will mix 10 minutes. Now my dough is ready, so I'm going to add the butter now. Five minutes you can mix continue until the dough is shiny. You can see when the dough is ready, it's not sticking in the bowl. See, bowl is almost clean. You can see now brioche dough is ready. See, it should be like elastic, so you will get the very softness. Now I'm going to divide the dough, so you can divide how much you want, 30 gram, 50 gram, 70 gram, but my burger is a little bit big, so I'm going to use 70 gram. After divide the dough, keep 5 minutes for rest, then after you can make the shape. This is how the way you make the shape. This part should be go bottom on the tray. Now I am going to put in the prover, but one thing is very important. You should have good space for the baking. If you don't have space, your burger is not nicely cooking. So keep in mind you should have space. Now burgers are ready, so we are going to egg wash and baked. So we are going to bake now. (170°C), 10 minutes. Fan number 1. We do without steam. Burger bun almost ready. Nice shine. Now our burger bun is ready. You can see how it looks nice, shiny. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can write in your comment section. All the recipe and ingredients I will write down in the description. Thank you very much.